Hi, so today I'm here with a tutorial for wireless electricity. But before that, I'm going to share some basic information. We all know that electricity is all about wires, but the concept of wireless electricity is also very old. We are already using this technology widely in the form of transformers. Wireless electricity was discovered by inventor Nikola Tesla, and it works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. I've recently heard that many companies are providing wireless charger with their phones, which are more easy to use. Some people also claim that wireless electricity is fake. No. So let's make our own wireless electricity module. The components required will be 0.1 mm insulated copper wire, 2N2222A NPN transistor, 22K 0.25 watt resistor, LED bulb, and a battery. Take any cylindrical structure and start winding 15 turns. Then take a loop out and again wind 15 turns in the same direction. The coil should look like this, and don't forget to scratch off the insulation before soldering. Connect the wires according to the circuit diagram. For the receiver part, just make a simple coil of 30 turns. The arrangement should look like this. I've connected all the wires, now let's see it's working. Actually, this is how wireless charging works. Suppose the circuit over here is your charging pad and the receiver is your phone. When you put your phone on the charging pad, it starts charging. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram.